Daddy! Stop!
So here we are on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. Big shout out to William from McAvoy Productions for highlighting this on his own YouTube channel. I checked it out and said this place looks really, really cool. So let's check out Mullinhassig Woods and Waterfall. It's supposed to be really, really nice. From what I've seen, it looks amazing. So let's check this out. No idea where we're going. It's really, really steep. You alright, dude?
Nope. My knees are prickly.
So, I don't hear a waterfall, but I'm sure we'll find one.
Maybe you went the wrong way.
I can see water down that way.
Oh, yeah.
So, it has to be somewhere, right? Keep on walking. Gotta come out somewhere. We're another little bit further in. Still have no idea where we're going, we're just following the path. But the sound, it's either wind or water is getting louder, like rushing water. So we might be on the right track. But it's so cool inside here. So quiet, there's nobody around. It's really off the beaten track, so this is certainly one of Cork's little hidden gems, I think. Okay, the sound of the rushing water is now gone. Fair enough. Okay. You've guessed it. Still walking. I don't even know if we're getting close. All I know is this is like an episode of Lord of the Rings. The extended edition. So I've left the kids and Jar behind. But I've kind of scouted up ahead, which I think we might be here. Maybe not. No, we're here. So there's always something. Put the drone up there. Didn't see a branch. Propellers crashed through the branch, that was fine. Tried to bring the drone back around and had to catch it because it's all like rocky. You can't see it, but I've no feeling in the top of my finger after getting a shot from the propeller. The drone is fine now, that's the main thing. Not a good idea. That's all I need now. Another busted leg and a wet pants. You find the strangest of things in the strangest of places. A rubber bone.
Don't touch it. I need to show you this. So when I was going to the toilet here, I noticed something.
What?
Underwear.
Jocks, dog bones, campfires, some party. Time to bail out before the rain comes. Heavier. Typical Irish weather. Did I say that in the vlog already? Anyway, we're going to go up that way, which is possibly the way we could have came down, which would have been easier. Yeah, let's go.
I can't see.
Woo! Doggy. I know they say New Zealand is like Tolkien country, but down here in Mullinhassig is not a bad second best. Get down out of there, you, before you tumble over.
Ow. You push me. You carry me.
And we have got out, and it's still kind of raining-ish. I don't know about you, but I guess depending on where you live, like everybody's got like some hidden treasures, hidden little spots which are really, really cool, and this is definitely one of them.
No cars.
Good first outing for the douchebag. Little drop of rain. So, all good.